Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a word that's both stylish and functional, accessory. It's a word we use for those extra items that complete your look or even enhance your gadgets. But are you pronouncing it correctly? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the spelling. accessory. Now, here's how you pronounce it. Accessory. Let's break it down step by step. Start with the short A sound, like in the word cat, followed by a crisp K. Say it with me. AK. Cess. This is the stressed part of the word. It sounds just like success without the suck. Say it. Cess. Re. End with a soft and re, like the last part of library. Say it with me. Re. Now let's put it all together. Accessory. One more time, a little faster. Accessory. Great work. Now, what does accessory mean? An accessory is something extra that adds value, style, or convenience. Think of things like scarves, watches, or even phone cases. They're not essential, but they definitely make things better. Here's a cool fact. The word accessory comes from the Latin word accessorius, which means additional or supplementary. It originally referred to things that complemented something larger, just like accessories do today. All right, let's practice it one last time. Accessory. Awesome, you've got it. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Say It Right, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time with another word. Take care and accessorize with confidence.